And how's it going there? Ladies and gentlemen, I'm K9. And today, guys, I'm going to show you guys my favorite drift car. Alrighty guys, so unfortunately I'm having to re-record this one because the recording failed previously. But basically guys, we're going to do a couple laps of the glorious Red Ring track, and then we'll get into the tune of my Charger. Now basically what I was talking about last time in the bit that didn't work was the fact that this is by far my favorite car to drift in this game at the moment. I love the look of it. I absolutely love how it drives. It is so incredibly smooth. I actually have a new toge track that I found that I'm either going to use this for or I'm going to try build another car for. But the fact that I'm happy to do toge tracks, you know, super tight, complex tracks in this car, you know, with the size of it, just shows how amazingly smooth this car is to drive, you know. It is easily my favorite car in this game, and I do hope when you guys get the tune that it works as well for you guys as it has been for me. Now, oops, I just looked away from the screen quickly. Now, one thing I do have to say, guys, is this car was tuned exclusively on my wheel, and that's the Thrustmaster TMX wheel. So if you guys are on a different wheel, or if you guys are on controller, do know that things might not translate super well to your guys' equipment that you play with. You might need to do a few alterations, but the basics of it should still work fairly well. But anyway, man, we'll call this the last lap, and then we'll get into showing you guys the tune of the car. Okay, so now I originally built this car to be like an FD type of car, as you can tell by the gorgeous license plate. I'm not 100% sure if I'm going to use this car to compete because, you know, everyone else's car is going to be so much faster because she's a big heavy girl. But anyway, guys, into the tune. So these are the springs as follows. You guys can pause the video if you want to just get my exact settings I've got on her. Trying to keep these roughly in line, but yeah, man, like I personally don't have a better tuned car than this. This thing is untouchably good in my opinion. It really is. So that's the suspension settings, guys. Now the wheel settings, like I said, she's got fairly big tires, very gripped up car. You know, very gripped up car. There we got our engine. Like I said, she's sitting at 800 horses at the moment. And then a transmission. Now, very rarely do I go 5th and 6th gear. You pretty much sit between 2nd and 4th in this car. You know, like tight tracks is 2nd, medium is 3rd, longer is 4th. And then we got our brakes. Brakes are as follows. But there we go, guys. That's her tune. If you guys want to know what body kit she has, am I able to show you? Okay. So, right. So, she's got the missile, stock open lights. Oh, yeah. Open lights is way better. Yeah. Then we've got the bumper, the missile bumper. We've got the stock hood, because the others are all horrible. So, we've got a nice, clean stock hood. Fenders are missile. Mirrors are stock. Obviously, you have the roll cage in her. Missile stock, just because it's nice and clean. Then we've got the stock rear end, just because nothing else looks as nice as that. No wing, because wings on Chargers look horrible. Got the missile exhausts. I don't do the interior personally, but you can. Oh, I got the wheel, I think. Yeah, I got a wheel done. But yeah, other than that, I haven't really touched the interior at all. We have these wheels that are part of the stock wheels. And I believe that's it. And then I've just got the stock tires. I don't care for lettering on my tires. Nice and clean. But yeah, guys, that's my Charger. I hope you guys all enjoy. I hope you guys all get to build her. And I hope she works as well for you as she does for me. Like I said, my favorite car at the moment.